put it here.
Ooh. Oh, let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a present. Boom!
Dang, that big old meat. Guys.
Oh.
Look at this master. I know we've been forgetting because this food is just like really good.
Yeah, I keep forgetting, bro.
Y'all look, show this. You need to, with your big hands.
Oh, I can't fit it all in the frame.
I know. That's a big old mama jamma. It's a big mama jamma.
Size of my whole
Just as big as it can be. So, I want to break into it. Oh no, you're trying to hurt me. Hola, welcome back to Will T
and Lee
TV. So welcome back to our channel, and yes, you have reached another seafood boil of ours. We have been requested to do another seafood boil, so here it is. I mean, we got to give the people what they want, right?
Right.
So today we have king crab, but this time we found the big ones. Look how big this is. Oh my god. Ooh. This is huge. So we found the big king crab. And I've been seeing people on YouTube with these, and I always wondered, like, I don't even know how to put this down. I always wonder, like, where do they get these from? Like, I see them, but I only can find the, you know, the regular king crab in the store. But shout out to my girl B Lovely, B Loves Life. I saw her do a mukbang, and she had the big crab, and she was like, she got it from Sam's Club. So I was like, I'm going to Sam's Club because I've been wanting this crab for like a couple months now. So we also found the tiger shrimp. These big shrimp here. These are some nice big shrimp. And then of course we got potato and our blue crab, of course. Y'all know we love blue crab. It's the best crab to us. So we got some blue crab. Lee already opened them and cleaned them before he cooked them. And I know. And another addition we have is fried lobster. I just had to try it. Like, I keep seeing it, so I have to try it. That good fried lobster tail. I think I did a pretty good job on it. It tastes good. I tasted a little piece. One of them fell apart, but it's okay. It's still edible.
Put that right there. Oh.
Put it right there. Almost lost it, and my dog almost caught it. Put it right here. Which one? All of it? Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was a close one, guys. And she right here waiting to eat it, too. That would have been a good feast for you. But anyway, all right, without further ado, let's dig in. Let's dig in.
Lord, we'd like to thank you for this food. There no harm should come through this food. That this food should be nutritious to our body and our Lord and Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. So we both got our sauces here. You got his sauce and this is mine. Of course, I got the lemon on deck. I put some in my sauce. Y'all know me and lemon. If you know me, you know I love lemon. So let's see. I don't even know what I want to start with first. Start with this potato. Let me move this out of the way. How is it?
It's good.
It's good? Mm-hmm. This sauce is good. I always start with a potato. Do I? Something like that. We get these potatoes from Publix.
So good.
They're so good.
They're tender.
They're tender and creamy. They're the honey gold, right? Honey golden potatoes, something. They're small. They're so good. So let's get into one of these tiger shrimp. So the way we got it set up today, we could just throw our stuff wherever.
Yeah.
So I want to try one of these.
Ooh, well, it already been open. The seasoning already inside.
Already in there. So there's that tiger shrimp.
I believe these was, you said it was farm raised?
We usually don't buy farm raised shrimp. They tend to taste different. Fresh caught shrimp have a better flavor and they're really good.
We'll try some of that lobster.
Yeah, that fried lobster.
Let's see. That's good.
But these are pretty good. I would say with farm raised shrimp, I think you have to kind of saute them, but even then, they're just a different flavor. It's nothing like wild caught.
Like a different texture too.
Yes. I was reluctant to buy them because I saw they were farm raised. And I was like, you only live once. Just try it. These might be better, but they're better than the regular farm raised. I could taste a butter in them or something. Like a butter inside of them. I taste that.
Yeah, that's my sauce.
They're still good, but you know, nothing beats fresh wild caught shrimp, which is what we usually buy from our Asian market.
Yes.
And they're just delicious. Nothing beats that to me. But they're still good. If you like those, like I don't need my shrimp deveined. I eat it all, just the way it is, and I like every bit of it.
Every bit of it.
Oh, this is good. But I can take this and like squeeze some lemon over it, and it'll be good.
Blue crabs, I think.
They're good. I know the blue crabs are good. So now ever since we fried them that one time on our last mukbang, we said that we're gonna always, well he, you know, cause he has to do it, he's gonna always open them first, clean them, then cook them. Cause it does allow for the seasoning to get in, and then it also allows for easy eat. It's more easier to eat.
A little hard at the beginning because you gotta pay.
Yeah, no cleaning, no all of that. It makes it easier to eat. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on this.
Good.
How do you like the fried lobster? I didn't even wait for your reaction. You like it?
I think I said it once.
No, I know I didn't listen for it. I was doing other stuff. At least I don't remember. All right, that's what that looks like.
Good out.
Oh, thanks, babe. I was just about to get into this lobster, and he shared some crab. Oop, a piece fell in there. Wow, this is good.
You tried it without the sauce.
Try without my sauce?
You should have.
But this piece don't have no sauce. It's good. Try with some lemon. Oh wow, this is good. That's not the blue crab.
I'm trying to see what that king over there is.
I know it look good out there.
This one tastes like that. Huh?
You taste what?
So this one tastes like that. Let me see what that tastes like.
I know. I want to taste some of this lobster. I know I showed it to you already. Get a close up on that. This way or this way. Y'all never told me which one is better. I think I did a pretty good job. It's my first time trying this out.
Well, you did a good job.
Let me taste without anything. That's pretty stinking good.
When you dip it, it's all over.
It's better. Wow. This is good. My sauce. It's good. I approve. I like this. Ooh. Break another piece off.
That bad boy together.
It's nice and tender. It's not overcooked. It's good. Let me just break this lobster out the tail. Just break it out the tail.
It's good.
It's meat in the tail. In this part of it.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
It's good.
Go ahead. Go that your way.
You don't want me to grab none of his lobster.
I don't want no accidents. That mine or yours?
I don't know. Might be mine, might be yours.
That's it, nice.
Mmm.
That's what I love about that.
Mmm. Great.
I like that batter. How do you season that batter?
You like it? I didn't want to over salt it. Yes. It's like, I want to lightly season the lobster because I've cooked lobster before. Well, I've had it before. And it's so salty. Like, it picks up salt very well. So, if you over salt your batter. But I've had it before and it was really salty. And I've had it like twice like that when it was cooked for me and when I've done it for myself. So I learned like, you don't have to put too much seasoning on it or seasonings that have a lot of salt. So I just wanted to make, sure that the batter was nice and light. And I really like it. I'm gonna dip this in there.
New crab good. I don't know who cooked it. I seen that put it out.
I good.
Where you from? What restaurant you buy these from?
What, the crabs?
Yeah.
They're called T&Lee's. Restaurant of goodness. That's what that's called.
These were cooked in the house. Tastes like a restaurant.
Wow, this is good. This is good. For some reason, I don't know why, but the fried lobster, any of y'all know what conch is? It reminds me of the taste of conch. It's more tender. It's more tender than conch, but it reminds me a little bit of the flavor of conch. But it's really good. I love conch. I was born in Miami. I was born in Miami, Florida. So, you know, if you were born there, you know what conch is. But I would like to try a crab.
Which one?
I would like to try a nice.
Are they open?
And they're open. Yes. My baby's on it. All I gotta do is look. I just break it open and I'm in there. The parts are just removed.
Wow.
What? There's no other way to be. Wow. Babe, this just came right apart.
Looks like butter. I used to season called Florida garlic butter. If you know about it, buy it. If you don't, Google it, buy it on Amazon.
Well, I'm not the pro here. So maybe that's why.
Get a little crab meat, a little lobster meat, little shrimp meat.
It's good.
Seasoning got all up in the shell of these shrimp.
Yeah, the seasoning got everywhere. Oh Lord.
I call this the triple threat. I got potato, I got some lobster, piece of crab, and a shrimp. That's more than triple threat. That's quad.
Quadruple threat.
I got a quad threat.
These are really good. Y'all should try it this way. Y'all should open it up before you cook it and let the seasoning get in there. It's come like that.
But I ain't got any claw meat.
It's got everywhere. It make you not want to eat it the other way no more, right? That seasoning is good.
Thank you. That's what I asked for.
It's really good.
Oh, no claw meat sticking around here.
Aw, thanks, honey.
You gonna try that?
Honey, yeah, sure. Okay. That's the other day. Wow, look at it. Seems like it breaks easier too. And the meat tastes more meatier. That's really good. Like a firmer texture, more meatier. This is A1.
It's gonna hide before hide under that shell.
Oh no. And get away. I gotta give him his props. It's A1. So y'all, we've been loving the comments we've been getting on our videos. You guys are so sweet.
Yes, they are.
Like, y'all are so supportive and so sweet, and we really appreciate y'all, like, for real.
They brighten my day.
I know, like, you don't have to watch us, but you do.
Yeah.
So we love y'all for that.
They can take your time out to comment. That's amazing.
It's awesome. And then there was a comment saying that they like the seafood boil we did before, but they want us to do something else different. They're tired of seeing seafood boils, which I understand a lot of people do seafood boils, but we do have other videos, guys. So we're gonna link some videos, like some cards to the side, so you guys can check out other videos. We have other mukbangs that are not seafood, and we cook. We try a lot of different ramen. We do have some challenges. And we do other eating videos, besides these. So if you don't care for the seafood mukbang, just click on our other videos. And I hope you enjoy those. But people really like to see these, so we can get the people what they want.
I don't know.
You know? I know you can't be pleasing to everyone, but again, we have other videos you can watch if you like. That was good. That was good.
Like a little doodle in the intestines. Gave it.
Give it some more flavor.
Yeah. Get ready to eat it. We go eat it.
How many of y'all like blue crab? I know I asked that before, but how many of y'all like blue crab more than maybe king or?
It's hard to king.
I know, more than king. We're gonna try the king. More than king or snow or tanner or dungeness or rock and all that kind of stuff. I love blue crab. No meat compares to the taste of it to me. Even though it's a smaller amount, it just doesn't. I've tried all different ones. I haven't tried rock or what's the other one, like that rock claw, whatever crab. I haven't tried that before, but
it's not gonna work.
what? What's not gonna work? She back. Oh, this lemon is so good on, and the lemon tastes so good on the blue crab. Like, it's so good. For people that like lemon. But yeah, we still slowly but surely inching up to that 500. And it's just amazing. I just know to a lot of people it's just like nothing. I just know it. But I don't know. Maybe by the time you see this video, we'll be at 5. Who knows? You guys are loyal. The Hola T&LeeFam be on it. More cooking videos. More mukbangs. And we might do some tag videos so y'all can get to know us. If y'all want to get to know us more, thumbs up or comment in a comment. I want to get to know y'all more. Let us know what y'all want to know. What you want to know about us.
Tell me.
Tell me. Only if you're curious. If not, we're cool. Oh, yeah. You don't need that sauce.
I'm sorry.
Y'all, what everybody was saying about this lobster is true. You have to try it. I fried this up with some, all I used was an egg wash. I seasoned it. I used an egg wash and some flour, and I fried it up. It came out perfect.
Be some part range shrimp, boy. This some little shrimp.
Look up. I would definitely do that again. That's good, baby. Oh, go ahead. How your dip taste? What's on my dip? What's on my dip? You taste lemon? I love lemon.
Taste lemon or something else. What is that?
Garlic powder? I don't know what you taste.
What kind of digger spread?
Shut up. Yeah, don't listen to him. Whatever.
Baby couple.
You a hater.
Y'all want to talk to me like that?
Yup.
And I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna give her that, y'all.
Yeah, I woulda, coulda.
Why? When?
No, you put your breath on it.
Oh.
You got some of your tea. Pepper.
Bottom.
The top one. That piece of pepper or something.
That been the old week. Now you want to say something?
Let me see. Look at me. Smile. I think it's gone.
What you put a hand in my mouth? What you won't eat this?
All right, so what you guys probably been waiting for.
Oh.
Look at this master. I know we've been forgetting because this food is just like really good.
I keep forgetting about it.
Y'all look, show this. You need to with your big hands.
Oh, I can't fit it all in the frame.
I know that's a
There you
big old mama jamma. It's a big mama jamma.
Size of my whole
Just
forearm.
as big as it can be. Ooh, had a burp.
You wanna get yours?
Excuse me. So I want to break into it. Oh no, you trying to hurt me?
Oh, didn't work.
Mine didn't work. It hurt. I can't break it. Oh, there it is. Oh,
Mine didn't work.
he gonna crack it with his teeth because he crazy.
Nah, it's soft shell.
And first I'm gonna taste the meat out this side. Y'all, we don't know if we overcooked this.
Yeah.
He just tried the best he can.
Yeah. What's this line?
It's good.
Oh, it's good, yeah.
I'm just I taste this meat.
Oh, that part?
It's spicy.
So you try to say I make you go?
It's spicy. This part of the crab always tastes like a little more salty to me. Always. For some reason. I prefer the inside meat.
Oh, yeah. That's how me taste better.
Oh my god. Y'all hear that crunch? I should have broke this knuckle piece off first.
No, I ate nothing.
Good enough? The top?
Yeah, knuckle piece. That's top right there.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not faded.
It do. All right, y'all. Woo. Woo. Jesus, this thing is sticking me.
Ooh.
Look how they look.
What's that kind of?
Look how they look.
Wow.
Oh my
Kind
god.
of slime.
Yeah, it's the little stuff that be on the outside. Ooh. Just take it off.
Look at that.
Take it off. Oh, I see it. Is that the same stuff?
Oh, what's that drink?
Yeah, just take off that stuff.
On the tater.
Y'all, look at this. That is huge. Look at all that meat in there. Look, babe. Look how big it
You
is.
might be coming.
What?
What are you talking?
It is a lot of meat. Look all that meat.
Look like this.
Look at all that meat out. Wow, it's so good to experience it for yourself. So let me dip it in here and taste it.
Ooh.
There's a lot of meat. Wow, this is good.
And I cooked all this inside of a turkey fry. If you wonder what I used to cook this.
You want to taste it or you don't want my sauce, do you?
I got my own.
Yo, you want to taste it? You want to taste mine?
I got my own.
But this bigger. Oh well. He said no. I tried.
My boy had barnacles on him. he had a water food. He had some kind of grass. I know
King crab. That's delicious.
That part right there really tastes like seafood.
What?
Like right in between.
You talking about like that stuff that you rub off?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it's some kind of fatty stuff. I don't know what it is. And this I got more meat from that. More meat from that. This has a lot of meat in it, so I don't want to ruin the rest of my food with it. But I'll wait till I eat the other piece.
What other piece? That piece?
You ate yours already?
No, some of that one.
Oh, okay. It's a lot in that one? It's filled?
I think so. It must be a family.
Oh, wow, that's good. You want this other piece?
Yeah.
You can have this. He gonna eat the claw.
Yeah.
I only just wanted that
Oh,
one
so
piece.
this whole top the top pointy piece right there.
Got meat in it.
No.
What?
That's not meat.
This fat?
That gotta be.
Are you sure? I suppose it's meat in regular crab. It's supposed to be meat.
It tastes funny too.
That's how lobster tastes. The claws of the lobster taste to me. That's exactly how the claws of a lobster taste.
I just wish I had ate a lobster and taste like that.
All right. I got another whole nother thing. Got meat all in it. But I'm gonna move on. After I finish this pizza. Is this the knuckle? Is it, babe? This piece of knuckle king crab meat.
I ain't bring no
We ain't bring no what?
no napkins.
I did.
I got meat in this part too.
I'm eating all of it. Y'all, this stuff, the king crab, these big ones, they're a bit pricey, but if you really love seafood, it's something that you can indulge in, you know, every once in a while, and it's really good, like a delicacy or something. Like, you know, I'm gonna treat myself this month or this week or whatever. Get that for yourself. I mean, you're worth it. That's if you like king crab.
When we stay in Florida, we blue crabs just about like every day. Islander, man. Islander.
Yeah, blue crab is just where it's at. I just still have not met a crab that made me say that I don't want blue crab. That, ooh, I prefer this over blue crab. I have not met one. But that's just us.
Don't get me wrong, they good now.
They are good. But, you know, I just prefer the meat of a blue crab. And on that note, I want to get one that's got a lot of meat in it. On that note, I'm going to get me another.
Right there.
That was him? Oh,
Let
whatever.
me see. Yeah, that was him right there.
He had more than this one? Maybe.
About 10 times.
Ow. I stabbed myself
Hold on.
with a blue crab.
Things get real until now.
They get real. I think I taste blood.
Oh, so
Those things are sharp. They're real sharp.
from dead, they
See?
still getting them.
Ooh, I wiggled it out. Come on, baby. Wiggle the rest. Woo, success.
See, a real crab person know how to put that cluster in your mouth. Suck the meat right out the cluster. Spread the cluster out.
Well,
Let that out.
these sharp things. Ooh, I got it off.
You ever seen Waterboy?
Of course I see Waterboy. We watched it together so many times.
I know. I was talking to you.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to fix that flip mouth of his. When we off camera,
That's right.
he don't act like this. Cause you know what'll happen. He valued his life too much.
Yeah. I want you a day's chocolate. I'm stopping.
You know better.
Big blocker.
But this one like watery or something.
Can't be complaining.
I'm not complaining. I'm saying like, you know how they be having a lot of water in some of them? My sauce is getting cold. So it's trying to coagulate. My fingers still hurt. They got poked. Y'all, I got poked by a crab. Ooh, almost forgot about my lobster. This is the ish. This is the ish right here.
Right there, little taters. You see me popping them in there like little tic tac. Woo!
Y'all, this lobster is, to me, one of the best parts of this meal. It's that good. You gotta try it. At least once.
I am getting a little full now.
I need to warm my sauce up.
I gotta get baby days.
I need to warm my sauce up some more. Yeah, this one was empty. That's why I was. When it be watery like that, they usually be empty.
Told you to get the other one.
Well, I already took it.
I'm the crab Zulu right here.
Zuru? A guru.
Whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, him was empty. He had a little bit of something, but not much.
Oh, so you try to break it too, huh? That what happened.
Nobody produced a decision.
Ain't gonna be no bit.
Oh my god. Whew. One thing I'm gonna finish is this lobster.
Yeah, boy. Got it.
Good.
No, you're not gonna eat that.
What's this? There's a piece of something in my sauce.
Onion.
Yep. Something was good. Crab meat.
A whole roll. Got shrimp in one hand, crab and potato in the other. This is the life. Okay.
It's so good.
Can y'all see my? Oh, you can. That's all in the mess right now.
You see his man? My man's hot behind this.
She got a little power. I got big power. I'm playing no games. I'm taking no names. Just kicking butt and I just lick all my fingers. And I'm trying to put my hand on it. So my stuff.
Just nasty.
It's nasty. Let me wash my feet butter real quick.
Really? Seriously?
My gems.
You can open me up another crab if you want to. Look.
Open. I did all the opening. So you're in the boo boo.
It's not a boo boo.
Yes, it is. Sorry. Excuse me.
Now who's watching me?
Woo! That was. Oh, that is. Ooh! Look at that.
Oh, that's a potato?
Hold on. Onions. I gotta get some with that. Hold on, this shit right there. You picture worthy.
What? You pitch worthy?
Picture worthy.
Ah.
I mean, I can take a picture.
I know what picture worthy means.
Well,
It didn't sound like that's what you said. That's why I had to ask again. Oh my god. Shouldn't be. What? Why are you looking at me? I see you got my perfume.
I don't know. I ain't got good.
Excuse me.
380.
What?
Almost TKO.
What? What did?
For
Mmm.
ain't doing nothing this way. Going there. Oh my butt cheek.
I was going to Lena.
She ain't eating enough of it.
I want a full crab.
Oh, look at that. Look. Hot potato just sitting there.
That's my crab. You hid it from me.
Are you right?
I'm just kidding, honey.
No, you ain't playing.
I'm just kidding.
All drove.
Okay, well. Give me a full one.
Yeah. I did that because you want to go tell you that. And then I get back.
I knew what it really was.
That potato inside of that. Got a little doodle on there. It was marinating in there.
He's so nasty.
Oh, this that watery one. They done gave me that swamp bucket.
This one water too.
Oh Lord. What do you mean watery? It all comes out the ocean.
No, they know what it means when it be dripping that extra water. There's an onion in there.
That one, this one picked up some salt.
Oh, good.
What? What? You seen
What?
that?
What did I see? Just broke.
My crab's gonna get up and run in my mouth.
The what?
Yeah, it's gonna run in my mouth.
Your crab is gonna run in your mouth.
You seen it? It'll lift itself up and it's gonna run in my mouth.
My crab?
No, my crab. This one get 8. Caught him Big Swole. He bought his bigness at Walmart. No.
It's so good in here.
Ooh, I swole up right there. They call it swole up.
That little orange. You eating wimpy orange.
I'm at the Whippy. The Whippy Krabby Patty. What's the name of it?
What?
I'm SpongeBob.
Oh, I don't know.
The Junior Hut Patty.
Oh.
Yeah, they got.
I don't know. Ooh. This is awesome.
Man, crazy, man. Ooh, look at that. Right there.
Look out. A shell tried to get me.
Yeah, nobody said that. Said she'll try to get me. Call me. Call me.
What you looking for? How many potatoes you ate? 15?
Whole bunch.
He done ate all the whole bag.
Somebody was counting. Throw it in the comments below because I lost count.
I don't know.
My stomach's swole up right now.
You full of potatoes, that's why.
Yeah. We did it. That thing was uphill. It don't drop now.
We did it or he did it?
Right, man.
That's good, I'm glad. At least I know when I buy food, it ain't gonna go to waste.
Look at that. It's heavy too.
It is. And you ain't even open it yet? What are you doing? You had to open it, give the people what they want.
I'm eating all these blue crabs.
Yeah, open it up so we can see what's in yours. It look good.
Oh, we got a spiky. Let me see what it is.
Yeah, get the scissors. Don't act like you too manly for scissors. Scissors.
Oh, chicken.
Shucking. Leah, she done found her way back in
Get
here.
out, Leah. You're not in the video. Ooh. Oh, let's see what I got. Uh-oh. It's a present. Boom!
That ain't that big old meat. Guys.
Look at
That big old meat.
Oh, that's nothing but meat right there.
Big meat.
Oh. scrape off the little, whatever that is.
I'm gonna open my other piece.
You got it right now?
It's right here.
Oh, you got a skinny piece.
This the other half of it, of the leg, that big old leg.
It was big at the top, little at the bottom.
We're gonna open the rest of him up and see what he is working with, you know.
He was only strong in his thighs. His feet was weak. That's what they called him. With the onion, with the potato, and the onion.
I'm gonna open my other little piece of, oh, I think I just split the meat with my, with the scissors. What? What's wrong with it? Don't choke now. They ain't staying hard. Don't choke now, babe. What happened?
I put it in the shell.
Okay. Y'all, this is the very end piece of it. All the, what? This is meaty. You crazy? It's meaty and delicious. Mmm.
You know what?
Mmm. Just don't be making it mouth.
You ain't get to the knuckle?
No, I didn't. These things sharp. They hurt.
I said a knuckle. You know,
It's meat all at the bottom of this one.
You know it's a knuckle fee?
Knuckle feed.
But open a knuckle for you is a fee.
You ain't open it for me.
I'm looking at it. I'm helping you. Mentally.
Really?
So it's a fee.
It's that fat stuff in there. You mentally helping me open the. Oh! I got sprayed. Oh wow!
So you want to spray in my face?
You know you like to spray it in your face.
You could have made a crab salad with this.
You can make a lot with this.
Could that crab macaroni and cheese might be coming soon.
Look how big it is.
Nice chunk.
Woo! We coming to the end, y'all. I know that's what make you want to do is go sleep. I have my one little crab left that I must finish. Are you done? You better eat your little bit more.
Oh, yeah, a little more. I'll eat a little more.
Yeah, he about to eat a little more. He finna be done. He been going in. Babe. That noise.
That was grand.
Whatever it was. You look tired.
About to go on shutdown mode over there. Woo!
It does when you're tired. A little bit more lemon on here. A little bit more squeeze. Ooh, I lost meat. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm from the bowl.
Ray.
I know.
I'm using you. Yeah.
All right. Well, this boil or steam and fry or whatever you want to call it is coming to an end. He's about to tap out. This food
Not
was.
about to. Dad.
He tapped out. This food was delicious. It was very good. My favorite part again was the fried lobster tail. It was so delicious. If you have not tried it, you better go try it.
Try it.
As soon as possible because you're missing out on a great delicacy if you don't.
It was very good.
Okay. Alrighty, well thank you guys for joining us. And if new subscribers are watching us or anybody new to this channel, even if you're not subscribed, go and give us a click and watch us. And if you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just keep watching.
Yeah, my favorite.
We like it any other way. So again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all of our uploads and become a part of the Hola T fam. We love you guys. And if you like to share video, share this video, right?
Yeah, definitely with all your friends.
Share with all your friends. Tell them what we're doing over here.
You tell them to share.
Yeah, tell them to share. And
Tell them to share.
Tell them how we eat seafood over here, how we cook seafood over here.
Yeah.
Any suggestions, comments, concerns on this channel, let us know.
Yes,
we are tired, so we're being a little bit goofy. I know I'm tired. You tired, babe? Yep, you tired. Yeah, we're a little tired. We've been out all day. He been working all day. I've been running errands all day. We had to come back home. He had to cook all this food. He had to do all this other stuff. But anyway, I am rambling because I'm tired. So again, thank you for joining us. Please join us next time on another one of our videos. And until next time, we love you guys. God bless. Peace.
Peace.